Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going to be building a closet for my doll. As you can tell, I already built the box for it. So just to give you a quick measurements, the side walls are 13 by 13. The back wall is 30 by 13 inches tall. And the floor is the same as the top, which is 30 by 13. And I already covered the floor with marble contact paper that I got from Target for $5. And if you want to see how I built this room, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do, I have these strips of foam board that measures about 4 and 13 inches tall. So 4 inches across, 13 inches tall. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue 2 of them on the sides of the foam board. Once I glued down the 2 sides of the foam board for the closet, I did buy these pieces from Amazon. It was a different color pack of furniture. I just painted it white and put a little bit of gold to make it give like a little bit of a rustic look. So I'm gonna put a picture of what I ordered and put on the screen. So now I'm just gonna glue down this furniture. Okay, so this is how that's looking, and I even had the chair that it came with, and I just painted it white with some gold details, and then I added a mirror that I got from Dollar Tree. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some shelves onto this wall, and for shelves I just wrapped some foam board in the same marble contact paper. So I'm just go ahead and add to the wall right here. I'm gonna add 3 rows of shelves. So these are how the shelves came out once I glued them in. So now I'm going to glue a shelf in between these 2 foam boards. This one is about 4 by 7 inches, and I'm gonna have it go right in the middle right here, just so it could fit perfectly, just to divide these 2 parts of the closet. Okay, so next what I'm going to do, I'm gonna add some shelves to the corner of the room right here. So I'm just cutting a corner like how I did this side at a diagonal. I'm gonna cut a corner of each part of this foam board and just cover it with the marble paper and go ahead and add it to the corner right here as a little bit more. Alright guys, so I do want to put a middle island in the middle of this space. I am going to add a 3rd row to this corner shelf, but I want to make the middle table first, like a little island that my dog can put her jewelry. Oh, and I changed the chair. I'll show you guys the new chair towards the end. So let's go ahead and make the middle table. I just cut 2 toilet paper rolls and I glued them together. I'm going to take some white construction paper and wrap it around the entire paper towel roll that I take a square piece of foam board and I cover it with the marble scrapbook paper, and I'm going to glue it on top of the toilet paper roll that I cover with construction paper. Then I turn the table upside down and I stuff the toilet paper roll with plastic bag to give it more weight to it, and I'm gonna stuff it with another one. And now we have a mini island for our jewelry. And now I just want to add some clothes. Oh, and let me go get the new chair for you guys so I can show you guys how I switched up. So for the new chair, I took one of the dollhouse tables they sell in Dollar Tree. I'll put a picture in the corner screen so you know what I'm talking about. And I cut 4 wooden dowels and I painted it gold, and I put a marble contact paper on top. And now it's going to be a little stool for the bench right here. First, to decorate, we're gonna decorate the counter. This set did come with some decor for the counter that's really cute, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. Put it on this vase with this little rose, this clock that I'm gonna add right here so your dolls can tell the time, and 2 clear perfume bottles, which is really cute. So that also comes with the furniture set that I bought that I added into the space, and I love how it all came out. You guys saw that I had the rainbow high mannequin stand in here, but I decided to switch that out because I like flowers more. So yeah, so I like how it's coming out so far. So now I'm gonna add some clothes to the shelf. Guys, so this is the final look of my walk-in closet that I made. I just put the finishing touches. I put some shoes on the shoe rack. The drawers look nice. There's a plant in the corner. I put some of my doll's clothes. The main clothes she usually wears, she has way more clothes than this, but I just put some clothes like for on display, and some of her handbags that she has more, but I think I might add 1 more shelf to the bottom right there. But I'm very happy. And then I took one of the candles. If you guys like Bath and Body candles, you can reuse the lids as like a jewelry holder for your doll's jewelry on top of the island for their walk-in closet. And I put this little footstool right here for her to kick her feet up. And I can't wait to take beautiful pictures of her inside this closet. And I can't wait to show you guys all the different pictures. If you want to see pictures of my dolls and their dioramas, just follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram in the corner of the screen. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.